Hey, can you update my Aadhaar card photo?
Yeah, let me check. The server is crashing, so as of now we can't do that updation now.
Actually, I came from very long distance. I can't come every day.
I can understand your problem, but the server is still busy one day, so we can't do any help from our side.
Is there any other?
Hey, listen, I have developed an idea, a solution for this. You should come with me and check this.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is our hackathon idea. This is about developing a functional solution that demonstrates the face liveness detection. So this is the main project which we wanted to do, that if any person want to update his Aadhaar card mainly regarding photo. For updating remaining every other details we have a solution, but for updation of photo we don't have a solution. Now we have to detect the person either he is live or fake, he is doing fake. So after we did a project. Now in that we created a website. In that website it is capturing using camera about our photo. How it will take photo? How does it take photo? Okay. Now let me explain properly everything. Now this is our idea of solution. So in that we are using passive way. In that passive way we are checking. So we are giving data everything inside our backend and frontend. For frontend we used React framework. For backend we used Python Django. In frontend React we used a module called WebRTC. So this is the one which we used to take our image with the capturing of our image. So when the person is there in front of the camera and if you go into that page, it will start capturing the image. When we capture the image, now the data is sent inside the backend. Inside the backend we have everything. So I will explain maybe one by one. Now we have Django. Django is called the backend service. Now we have React, that is the front end service. Now this is TensorFlow. TensorFlow is for the AML, that is for model. Everything what we are doing regarding model, the data which we are sending inside, now it should detect whether it is real or fake. For that we are sending inside TensorFlow. Now then we have Bit Vision Transformer. Then we have blur detection. Everything it will check automatically. After checking, it will check whether it is real or false. Now this is how it goes. Now this is web browser. Then it is from React and backend with both. It is checking and it is taking the video. Inside video we are capturing our image. Then it is using ML model. Then it is giving our output. So start, open app, capture video, whether the face is detected or not. If it is yes, then it is checking whether the person is live. Then if it is yes, then it is getting grant access. Next. Now this is how it works. Now what is happening? It is checking whether the photo is real or fake.
How it is detecting the photo, whether it is real or fake?
So you want to know how the photo it is getting detected as real or fake. Now to before slide. Now we have these three things here. If you observe, we have TensorFlow, Bit Vision Transformer, and blur detection. So this in our model, the main thing is Bit Vision Transformer. Bit Vision Transformer, it will take an image and it will divide each of the image into particular parts. So that is called the image which is linearly get embedded. So that embedding, it will divide the part of the image and it will make it as a token. So after making the token, then every token will get modelized, like it will get trained each of the part of the token. Then after getting trained, then it will go into this again back in the main model that is present in the TensorFlow. Inside TensorFlow we have the main model which will compile every part of the token and it will detect whether it is fake or real. So it is in this passive model we have to check using the light reflection and face gestures. So if the face is doing some gestures and whether it is giving a reflection something, depending on that we will tell whether the photo is real or fake. Now we have these things that every idea is not a proper one. So we need to have some of the challenges. So it is like varying internet speeds, device camera quality, and user complaints. So if the person doesn't have per camera, it might show it is a fake version. Then if it doesn't have internet speeds, that website might load slower for them. So for overcoming these things, we have to develop each of the time while taking new photos from various people. On that, regarding that, we will improve our model day by day, day by day. Now, this potential impact on target audience, that many people doesn't believe that this might work good. So we developed a model that is 98% accuracy, and they can trust in this, and they no need to wait in longer queues before the Aadhaar Seva stops.
Hey, can you show the demo?
Yeah. Now let's see the demo of our project.
So let's look into our demo. First, we got a navigation bar here which we use to navigate among the other pages, and we got a really special thing about our user interface, which we made this using our Indian flag reference. You can just see here the orange, white and the green right down there. And these are the features we got in our application: face detection, updation of Aadhaar, and to get our Aadhaar details and Aadhaar services. So first let's check our updation of Aadhaar. So these are the features we got inside our updation of Aadhaar page. Here you can update your documents and supporting documents PDF. And we got the get Aadhaar to get the Aadhaar details, and the services to fetch the services, other services which will be provided in general. Yeah. So we got the Aadhaar updation status right here, and we got our updation status right there. So let's check our important feature of this whole application. And here is our webcam. Let's capture the webcam. And once the face is clear and it's not blur and it is real, it will be updated in your Aadhaar card.
Thank you. It's helped me a lot. I couldn't come on another day.
It's fine.